St. Catharines isn't always awesome this time of the year, but I have a new waterfront listing that certainly shines regardless of the weather. Welcome to 701 Geneva Street, Beachview Place, St. Catharines' only lakefront condo. And what I love about this complex is its heated in-ground pool, its hot tub, its sauna, fitness studio, and library. It has all the amenities, including the waterfront trail, that you could ask for. What I love about this place is its 400 square feet wraparound porch with a beautiful 3-season sunroom. For me, I think the demographic of this place and who's going to be interested in buying it is someone that is waiting for a creative explosion, to be able to have the freedom to customize a 1,800 square foot waterfront condo. Certainly, it's here, it's ready to go, and you'll be able to move in and just have a fabulous lifestyle. For more information, please visit callcarl.ca and be sure to check out the 3D Matterport camera.